What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to do something slightly different. I'm going to actually say 3 reasons why I became a photographer and a creative. So let's get right into it. I really wanted to show certain things like, or I see this thing on the street and I really want to show people this, and I want to show it in some different way. So I started taking pictures with my phone. This is not the same phone, but I mean, you get the idea. So I had a really old phone. It didn't have the best camera. So this was like the S5 or something, maybe even earlier, the Sony Ericsson something, the flip out phone. So the camera wasn't the best. So I tried my best to do whatever I could, but I always knew that I really want to take something cool, like especially when I saw the moon at night or something. I see it and be like, that's pretty cool, but my eyes can see it, but I can't share with people, and that's something that I really didn't like because I want to show people what I see. The thing you can do that gets you closer to that is having a camera. And so what I did is, for I think 3 or 4 years, I would tell my parents, I want to get a camera, I want to get a camera. And somehow after those years, because of university and stuff like that, somehow they got convinced and I got my first camera, which is actually what I'm recording on right now. So this camera basically got me through everything. So the years I've done since I got it, and it's really helped me establish myself as a creative and photographer. So the reason I got it is because I wanted to have like the dynamic range, the cool features, and if you search up the T6i, which is what I'm shooting on right now, that has the flip out screen, and I really wanted that as well. So there's certain things that I wanted that in a camera that I could do with that more than a phone, and that really helped me illustrate my image of creativity and vision, because I'm a visual learner. The second reason I wanted to become a photographer creative is I wanted to actually make money off of it, but I wanted to do it in terms of like, I want to make a living off of it so I don't have to do other stuff. So I know I'm good at it because I've done it for so long and I've done different things. So I wanted to kind of show people this is what you could do with it, and this is how I'm making my money off of it. So like I'm doing with this YouTube video, I'm making a video to help other people, but then also because I made my money back on what I spent on the camera, because I've done photo shoots, I've done different things with it that kind of help me make the money back over. So it's really paid off, and I created my business of it, and it's becoming better and better as I go, and I'm really happy about it because I do weddings and stuff, and there's good money in weddings, and I love doing them. So it's more so a passion project, but I have to make money because I want to make a living. So the third reason I did it is because you network so much with people. So being someone who is very introverted and not really knowing how to talk to people and stuff, because when I was younger I was overweight. I could probably put a picture somewhere here or something. Yeah, I was overweight. I didn't really talk to people. I had like a phase where I kind of like talked to people, then I kind of became very insecure in like middle school, high school and stuff, and it didn't really help me. I was kind of overweight and everything. Like I said, it didn't it really played with my mental health and all that, and mental health is very important, so remember. I really wanted to have a different avenue of talking to people, and something that's not like, oh, you're just being fake, you want to just talk to people and it's kind of like unnatural. I want something natural where like I have a purpose of talking to someone. So the reason helping become a creative, a photographer, all that stuff, it really helped me become more extroverted. So I'm both introverted and extroverted because I talk to people, but I'm very much to myself a lot. But as a photographer or a creative, you talk to people constantly about like collaborating certain ideas that they have. On Instagram, for example, you talk to people all the time. They message you and like, oh, cool, this is something that's really awesome. So there's stuff like that where it really helps you network and get to know people, and people like-minded can appreciate what you put into it, even if it's not as good as maybe someone who is amazing. So I really liked that aspect of it because it's so easy to get into, but yeah, sure, to succeed in it, it takes a while, but I think if you stay with stuff like that, it's so much more fun, and it's kind of like a small challenge. There's so much growth in it in terms of like just not even as like a business aspect or thing, but also as yourself as a social aspect, because there's such a wide variety you could do with it. I really like that aspect of it because I don't know, I just saw so much change in myself and it really helped. And also I actually lost my weight because of it, because I think I also just felt better about myself as well. And then my camera, being able to like take pictures of myself and know things, it really made me feel, in a way, it made me fall in love with myself. As narcissistic as that sounds, it just feels like you kind of appreciate yourself now and you have self-confidence in yourself. So that's one of the biggest reasons I think it is, apart from the two others I said. This is one of the biggest reasons because you want to just be able to grow as yourself. I think that's the biggest part of it. So anyway, I'm not gonna keep rambling on because I want to keep this video short. So thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed why I became a photographer, creative. It really helped me expand. So I really hope this helps you and maybe pushes you to start uploading, to start creating. Because you know, just say what's in your mind, create stuff, make music, do whatever you can, and express yourself. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.